Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vevor F910 heat press machine, specifically to press a t-shirt or article of clothing as well as a plate or dish. So to get started, here we have the machine itself. The first thing you need to do is swing this out of the way, and we are going to attach the press part itself. So this is very simple. You set it right on here. You can see on the bottom there's a little orange T that's going to line up right here and set on there like so. Then you're going to take one of these guys, screw it right in the middle to hold this base on. All right, that part's done. The next part is also very simple. We're going to put this over the top. Then you can see there are a couple holes here. You're going to have to remove these nuts in order to access them. And then this hole here and this hole here, that's what we're going for with two of these guys. So, a little trick, you can do this. You can either put the handle on and crank that down. You can use this, turn that down. You can pull it down, or you can just lift this up and hold it. As long as this isn't hot, you should be fine. Get the nut out of the way. One. And the other side, same thing. Okay, once that is on, line up your pads there. Then we are going to attach the handle. There is a half moon cut out right there, so there's only one way you can get the handle on. Line it up, put it on like this. Make sure one washer is on the inside. Then you can put one washer on the outside and add the nut. These only need to be hand tight. There is a wrench included if you want to make them really tight. You can do that, but when you are switching things around on and off using different attachments, the handle has to come off every time. So hand tight is more than enough. All right, there we go. So that is it. The next step would be to plug it in. So doing that is very simple. You're going to get this cord here, line up the groove, which is in this side with that little groove down there. So you have to kind of rotate this, get that baby lined up all the way around. There we go. And then screw that on like you would a coax cable, for those of you that remember what they are. All right, we're going to get these feet out. You see that there are 2 feet on the bottom. They help stabilize it so that when you swing this over, it doesn't tip. And then we need power. All right, the machine beeps. It's indicating it's on. Hit this button. That turns it on. It tells us right now this is at 72 degrees. This is 60 seconds. Let's say you have a t-shirt and you want it to be 30 seconds at 200 degrees. You're going to grab this, squeeze together, turn clockwise. That's Fahrenheit. So now we're going to turn the temperature down to 200 degrees for your t-shirt. Obviously, the numbers need to match whatever fabric and graphic you're using. 200 is a hypothetical. So wait, let it lock itself in. Now let's squeeze and turn counterclockwise. We're going to set the seconds down to 30. And wait, let it lock itself in. And we're good to go. So now it's heating up. It's going to beep when it gets to 200 degrees and it's ready. In the meantime, you can swing this out of your way. Let's say we put a t-shirt down here. Then we're going to take a graphic and put that on top of the t-shirt. We'll swing this back into position. Make sure everything is lined up properly. And wait for that to hit 200 degrees. All right, there we go. We are at 200 degrees. The machine is ready. Our graphic is hypothetically in there. Then all you need to do is push the lever down. There we go. That press activates and the countdown begins. So this will go down to 0. It'll beep when it's ready, and that's when you can manually release the handle, turn this over and take out your t-shirt that is fully done and ready to go. Be careful, the top is hot, the bottom is not. And so once you've done that, you will be ready to continue printing shirts. I hope this video has helped you. I hope you like it. Do so by clicking on that like button below. Here we go. Beeps at 0. You can release, turn this over, and then remove your t-shirt. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. You can also reach out to Vevor support or ask questions on their website or Amazon listings. In addition, I hope you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon on this channel to stay tuned for future videos. We've got a lot of videos, an entire playlist on how to use the different Vevor attachments with this heat press, and of course, several other videos on Vevor products as well. So check them out, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Thank you.